Well, hello YouTube friends and family, it's Frank here again with another short video. I see where the villages had released the Kaden Villas that sit within the Village of Hawkins. Some of these villas were just recently released, and these are going to go pretty fast. So I thought I would do a quick run through of these villas, and let's see what we got going on over here. Now you're going to notice there's still going to be a lot of trash and a lot of cleanup left to do. But they are released for sale. I think several of these are already pending from what I saw. Now the price ranges that I saw on the website, I saw were around $222,000 up towards, 250, even higher than that, I believe, depending on the home and where it is sitting. These villas are pretty much similar to the other videos that I've done of similar villa neighborhoods. Softer colors, more of your neutral color tones. Now I could be wrong on this, but it looks like I'm seeing a couple different floor plans, a couple different home designs, especially on that back row right there to your right. I'm not 100% sure on that, but some of these models look a little different to me than a few other homes I've seen in other villa neighborhoods. I'm going to try not to do a whole lot of talking as we just ride through, but this was just a quick glance at the newly opened Kaden Villas. And in case you're wondering, no, the Porta-Johns are not for sale. At this point, I will jump in here just to quickly say that I noticed by looking at these houses, the driveways are much longer than some of the other villa neighborhoods. You got much more driveway space, which means, like, look at this corner house right here. It's got a long driveway, nice big corner lot. So perhaps people will be more encouraged to park their vehicles in the driveway and not in the street. And as you can see, they still have to lay down the sod and do landscaping, so there's still a little bit work to do. Also, these neighborhoods will have tankless water heaters and gas hookups. So if any of you are watching this video are interested in one of these villas, I highly suggest you contact the Village's sales agent. Time will be of the essence. But I do hope you enjoyed this little ride through, just to grab a quick glance at the Kaden Villas. Just recently opened up. I think some of these villas are already pending. So if you tarry, they'll be gone before you know it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.